DOG mix.
Man, the other day I was listening to these girls. They be talking about, oh, they got this, they got that. I was like, bet you flexing. You know what? This is a no flex zone. You know that? What you flexing for? Wow. And then your guy over there is hating too. Wow. Why? Because I make music. You know what? I was like, I like this remix that I'm about to do, so I'm about to do it. You dig? Bitch, you flexing. Bitch, you flexing. Bitch, you flexing. You a lie. You a lie. You a lie. I say you flexing. Say you flexing. Troll to the Y. To the Y. Bitch, you flexing. Bitch, you flexing. Bitch, you flexing. You a lie. You a lie. You a lie. Stop your flexing. Stop your flexing. Stop your flexing. You a lie. You a lie. You a lie. Bitch, you flexing, and I know flex zone. I'ma show them how we do it when we turn up to my brand new song. So I'ma do my thing, I'ma do my thing. And I don't give a fuck, cause I don't fuck with no lame. So lame, nigga, be quiet. Lame, nigga, be quiet. And unless you got something to prove, but either way your ass gon' lose. I'm an OG with a big old dance, and I rap Buffalo and I do it with no problem. Cause my music is poppin' while y'all niggas out pouting. You want it, you want it. What? Bitch, you flexin', bitch, you flexin', bitch, you flexin'. You a lie, you a lie, you a lie. I say you flexin', said you flexin'. Troll to the Y, to the Y. Bitch, you flexin', bitch, you flexin', bitch, you flexin'. You a lie, you a lie, you a lie. Stop your flexin', stop your flexin', stop your flexin'. Cause you a lie, you a lie, you a lie. I'm down. This is Looney Bell. Welcome to the future. I told you this is my year, so stop flexing on a nigga. I'ma show them how to turn it up. Yeah. I'ma show them how we turn it up. Dow.